So, ayan, this is it. Ayan guys, yung aking beach outfit. Ayan, ang ganda niyan guys.
Wow!
Ayan. Ayan, meron siyang ano sa likod guys. Yung ating, ano, ayan. Ayan, ayan sa beach guys. Ayan. Meron tayong
Wow!
piece to piece, o, diba? Pack na pack yan. I really love it, guys. Ayan o. Pack na pack yan.
Wow!
O, diba? I really love my shoes, guys. Ayan. Ayan. O, diba? Ang ganda niya, guys. So, that's it for today. Ayan, guys. Tuwang-tuwa ako sa aking outfit ngayon. Ayan, dahil feeling model na naman ako, guys. Ayan o. I really love it. Pack na pack.